Hello students. In the previous videos we have already discussed about the basic concepts and the different formulae which are necessary for the calculation of national income and related aggregates. So before starting further, let's revise those formulae. The first one was gross minus step, we'll get net, and in order to get gross from net, we have to add the depreciation. So that was the first one. The second formula was factor cost. In factor cost, when we add net indirect taxes, we will get the market price, and from market price, when we deduct NIT, that means indirect taxes, net indirect taxes, we will get the factor cost. That was the second one. And formula for net indirect tax was indirect tax minus subsidies. Now the third formula was domestic. When in domestic income, net factor income from abroad is added, we will get the national income. And if we deduct NFIA from national income, we will get domestic income. And NFIA, that means net factor income from abroad. The formula for finding this was factor income received from abroad minus factor income paid to abroad. So with the help of this formula, we may find out NFIA. Now we will discuss about the aggregates. Actually there are 8 aggregates. 4 are of domestic level and 4 are of national level. And these aggregates are made out of 4 places. With the help of these 4 places, these aggregates are made. The first, let us understand how these aggregates are made. The first one is GDPMP, that means gross domestic product at market price. So here at first place we are having G, so we have taken G from this first place. G for gross. Second, 2 places are domestic and national are there, and we have taken domestic from this, we have got D. Again the third place is product, that is fixed in all the aggregates. Third place is fixed for product for all the aggregates. So P is here. Now fourth place is for factor cost and market price. So here we will take 1. That means in this MP is taken, market price is taken. So in this way, with the help of these 4 aggregates, 1 is taken from each, we will get this one aggregate, that is GDPMP. Again the second is GDPFC. Now G is taken from again first one gross, second domestic D, third I have told you that third place is fixed for P, that is product, and again fourth place factor and market, factor we have taken factor cost FC. Third one NDPMP, that means net is taken at the first place from here. D for domestic, this one second place is for domestic, third P product, and fourth is for market price again. Now again NDPFC, factor cost, net domestic product at factor cost, NDPFC. So that's how these aggregates are made with the help of these 4 places. Again 4 are of national level. GNPMP, that means G for gross, N for national, P for product, and MP means market price. Second one is GNPFC, G for gross, N for national, P for product, and FC means factor cost. The third one is NNPMP, that means N for net, N for national, P for product, and MP for market price. And the last one is NNPFC, N for net, N for national, P for product, and FC means factor cost. And this NNPFC makes our national income. This is known as our national income. So we have to find out this with the help of other aggregates. Now one more thing must be clear before proceeding further, that there are different names of depreciation. Depreciation is also known by other names. So the other names of depreciation is, first one is current replacement cost, second one is replacement cost of fixed factor, and the third is consumption of fixed factor. That means instead of giving the word depreciation, these may also be given for representing the depreciation. Now let us understand how we may find other aggregates with the help of the given aggregate. If one is given, so with the help of that given aggregate, how another aggregate can be find out. This we'll understand in this. Suppose GDP-MP is given. That means gross domestic product at market prices given. And with the help of this, we have to find out NDP-FC, net domestic product at factor cost. So how we will find it out? It is given, and with the help of this we have to find out this. Here gross is given and we have to find out the net. We know according to the formula, if gross is given and we deduct depreciation from it, we will get the net. So here we will use this formula and we deduct a depreciation from the GDP first. So GDP MP minus depreciation. Again D domestic same. So no changes in the formula. Then product PP is same. So no changes. Here market price is given and we have to find out the factor cost. So let's again move towards our formula. If market price is given and we have to find out the factor cost, then we have to deduct the net indirect taxes from the market price, so we will get the factor cost. So we will, in this GDP MP, we will deduct NIT. We will deduct NIT. So we will get NDP FC with the help of GDP MP. Again, let us understand how to find out different aggregates with the help of other given aggregates with the help of a question. So here question is, in the question GDP MP is given 500 rupees, depreciation is given 200 rupees, indirect taxes 100, subsidy 50, NFIA, net factor income from abroad, is given 20, and NNPFC, that means this is the national income, NNPFC we have to find out. So with the help of this given information, we have to find out NNPFC. So this is the solution. We have to find out the NNPFC and what is given, GDP MP. So let us develop our formula first. Here we know that gross is given and we want the net. We know that in order to get net from gross, we have to deduct minus the depreciation. So we will write minus depreciation. Again, here domestic is given and we have to find out the national. Obviously, we know that in order to get national from domestic, we have to add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, according to formula. So we will add NFIA here. Now the third place is for PP, product, that is same, so no changes. Again at the fourth place, market price is given and we have to find out the factor cost. We know that according to formula, if market price is given and we have to find out the factor cost, we have to deduct the taxes, net indirect taxes. So we will deduct net indirect taxes. Now we have developed our formula. Now put the values, whatever values are given in the question. GDP MP given is 500 rupees, we will write here. After that minus depreciation, 200 minus 200 plus NFIA is given 20, so plus 20 minus. Net indirect taxes, instead of giving directly, here indirect tax and subsidies are given and we know the formula for calculating NIT. when indirect tax minus subsidy, we will get NIT. So here we will do the same thing. Indirect tax 100, subsidy 50, so 100 minus 50. So we will get the NIT. So after solving this, we will get 270 as NNPFC, net national product at factor cost. Now the second question. In this question, NDPMP is given, net domestic product at market price is given as 800 rupees. Consumption of fixed capital, which we know also known as depreciation, it is given as 100 rupees. NIT, net indirect taxes, here it is given directly, so NIT is 300, and factor income paid to abroad is given 10 rupees. And we have to find out NNPFC at factor cost. We have to find it out. Now let us develop our formula first. What we have to find out? NNPFC. So we'll write here NNPFC, and what is given? NDPMP. So we'll write here NDPMP. Now net both are same, so no changes. Now at second place, domestic is given and we have to find out the net. That means we have to add NFIA. We know according to formula, in order to get national from domestic, we have to add NFIA. So we will add here NFIA. Product, third place same, no changes. At fourth place, market price is given and we have to find out the factor cost. With the help of market price, if we deduct NIT, taxes, we will get the factor cost. So here minus NIT. Now we have developed our formula. Now let's start and by putting the values. NDPMP given 800. It is given in the question. So 800 plus NFIA. We know NFIA is not given directly, but the formula we know. That means factor income from received from abroad minus factor income paid to abroad. Here received is not given, but paid is given, that is 10. So we will consider 0 as net factor income received from abroad. So we will consider it as 0. So 0 minus factor income paid to abroad is 10, minus 10. Now minus NIT is given 300 rupees, so we will put the value of NIT 300. Now after solving this, we will get 490, which will be our NNPFC, net national product at factor cost. Again, if the question is same, only one thing we have changed. That means here factor income paid to abroad is minus 10 instead of 10. So in this case, let's see how the answer changes. Here all the things are same, only here 0 minus 10, that means net factor income from abroad. Net factor income received from abroad minus paid to abroad. Here we will write 800 as NDPMP, we will write here, plus NFIA. Here 0 factor income received from abroad minus paid to abroad is minus 10. So we write here like this. Minus 300 NIT, we write same. So after solving this, we will get 510. So by making a simple change can change the answer. NNPFC. Here 490 was the answer in this case when the abroad income was 10, and the answer changes to 510 when our income paid to abroad becomes minus 10. So this makes the difference. Now again the last question. Here GDP MP is given as 1000 rupees, NFIA is 200 rupees, net indirect taxes are 300 rupees, NNPFC is 500 rupees, and we have to find out depreciation. Now in this we have to find out the depreciation. So let's develop our formula first. NNPFC, first of all we have to find out the NNPFC is equal to GDP MP is given, so we'll write it here. Now let's develop our formula. First place for net and gross. So gross is given and we have to find out the net. We know in order to get net from gross we have to minus the depreciation. So minus depreciation. Second place for domestic is given and we have to find out the national. So we know that from domestic to national, we have to add net factor income from abroad. So we will add this. Product same. Now again market price is given and we have to find out the factor cost. So from market price to factor cost, we have to deduct the taxes, net and direct taxes. So in this way we have developed our formula. Now let's put the values which are given. NNPFC given as 500 rupees here. NNPFC 500, put it here. GDP MP 1000, put the value. Minus depreciation we don't know, so we'll write it as it is. Plus NFIA 200 given, NFIA 200, we'll write it here. Minus NIT, net and direct taxes. Net and direct taxes 300 rupees, write 300 here. 500, 1000 plus 200, 1200, minus 300 and minus dep. We will shift the depreciation at the end. Again 12 minus 3, 900, minus depreciation 500 as it is. Now according to math solution we know we will interchange the equation. We will shift depreciation here, so it will become plus depreciation, and we will shift 500 in the next side of the equation, so it will become minus 500. So 900 minus 500, 400 we will got as depreciation. So that's how we have to find out different values with the help of the given aggregates.